How to fix 100% CPU uses Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Device Manager. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Systems. Click on System Devices, arrow. You find this kind of screen pop up. In here, search for High Precision Event Timer. After you find High Precision Event Timer, double-click on it. Then simply click on Disable Device. Click on Yes and you're good to go. Then simply go back to search bar and search for Power Options. In here you can select Plan if it's available. If not, simply click on Change when the computer sleeps and do as you want. And that's how you fix 100% CPU uses Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.